What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw a simple Ninja Turtle. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a large curve for the top edge of the nose. We're gonna start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve going up in the middle. Just gonna round this out and then pull that down towards the right. Now on either side, we're gonna draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's start on the left, going all the way around towards the top, come down and just tuck that in towards the side. Let's line this up over on the right, going all the way up towards the same height, come down the side, and then pull that in. Now draw two small ovals along the inside of the eye. Let's start with the left, going around, down, and then in. And then along the top, draw a small circle for a highlight. And then we want to fill the bottom of the pupils in black going around that highlight. Now from here we move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend this down the middle, go across, and then back up towards the right. Let's add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Now we move down and draw the bottom of the mouth. Let's start back over on the left, curve this down, around, and then up. Let's place the tongue along the bottom of the mouth, starting on the left. We're going to go up, across the center, and then down. And to create an overlap, stepping back, go up, and then down toward the side. And then we'll fill the top of the mouth in black. Now let's trace the bottom of the mouth along the outside, the bottom of the lip, come down, and then up. Now we're going to go back up underneath the eyes. We're going to curve the cheeks going around and just tuck that in behind the lip. So let's start with the left side. We'll go around the corner of the mouth, come down, and just tuck that in towards the side. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Starting underneath the eye, going around the corner of the mouth, come down, and then bend that in. Let's add a fold above the top of each eye, starting over on the left, going up, and then bend that down on the inside. Let's line this up on the right, going above the right eye, around, and then down. Now in between the brow, add a curve, coming down, and then up. Now on the outside, we're going to add two folds going around the side of the mask. Let's start on top of the cheek, bend this out, up, and then in, aiming towards the eye. And add one more curve going in behind the side of the brow. So let's start on the left. We're going to start by going up and out, round this out, and then pull that in. Now you want to close off the top of the head. From the outside of the brow, let's step out, curve this up, go across the head, and then bring that down on the right side. Now I'm going to add the ends of the headband on the right side of the head. Let's start from this point, go up, out, and then bend that up. And then from the tip, bend this down, and curve that up towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to draw that same shape in behind. Let's start from the top, start by going out, and then up, and then we'll draw that wave, coming in and then down towards the side. Let's add two folds, starting from the bottom, coming down and up. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a simple illustration of a Ninja Turtle. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.